Hi everyone and welcome to VLADA'S place. Today's recipe comes from very authentic place and time. People in the region I was born in will call the KRAUT people. So today's recipe better be a good one. In Dutch oven, pour half a cup of olive oil and add 1 small onion. As onions start caramelizing, add half a teaspoon of sweet Hungarian paprika and make sure that you don't overcook it. 10 to 15 seconds is just enough. Next, we're going to add 4 cloves of fresh garlic finely chopped. And again, let's not cook this for too long. So another 10 to 15 seconds, and then we're going to add 2 cans, 15-ounce cans of KRAUT. Make sure you rinse the KRAUT before you add it to onions. After mixing KRAUT in, add a half a cup of rice. Next is 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 cup of broth. We can go with the chicken or beef broth. Let the cabbage simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes before you add bacon-wrapped bratwurst to it. And you might notice that I was using pre-cooked bacon. Okay, after that, KRAUT goes into oven on 375 for about 35 minutes. We're done, and now we're ready to serve. Fall just started and we just had a first cool day. So this dish is a perfect celebration for the upcoming season. Alright, let's serve it, and I love serving it with the boiled mashed potatoes just to keep it on a light side. Now look at this beautiful golden crispy KRAUT on the side, and this is exactly what we want. It just adds a little bit more to the flavor. And as you see, I'm serving it with a touch of parsley, just to kind of add a little bit color. But the most important ingredient tonight is actually this family table and the fact that we're going to sit down and share our meal.